Good day, Raptors. Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. This year I am definitely going to try to make a video once a day. Try my best, because I see there's a lot of chatter about where I'm on both my channels, on the Unity channel and also the Unreal Engine channel. But yeah, I'm back. I'll try to keep up with doing a video a day, but no promises. I'll try my best. Okay, and in this small series, what we're going to make for this Happy New Year is going to be Color Cell Switch. It's a small game that I created myself with a small mixture of two games that already exist. One is Color Switch and the other one is Flappy Bird. So it's a mixture between those two. So I'm going to quickly give you a preview of what type of game we're going to create and then play. And it's pretty easy gameplay. All that you have to do is I'm going to go through the first border that will decide your color that you'll see now. So this is the first border that makes your player color. Then you get a small obstacle that where you have to mix your color with that obstacle, with that box. So it's pretty easy and simple. The trick here is the speed increase every time that you get one right. So it gets a little bit more difficult and players jump and movement goes very faster. So you got that little bit Flappy Bird sequence in it, and also then it has the color cells, color switch, where you have to match your color with a different color. So it's pretty easy. The development is going to be very short, and yeah, let's go out there. What's going to happen is in the first video, or in the next video, we're going to start development with an entirely new project. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. But guys, before we go, I have a new Patreon account that I'll put the link in the description to it. And yeah, just go down in the description. If you do enjoy my videos and you think that I should continue with it, go donate at my Patreon page. If I quickly open it up here. It will look like this, and yeah, just go and donate. I have created this morning, so if you think that I should continue and that you enjoy my content, that I help you guys, show you guys in the video, just go and donate about $1. It's monthly, so it's not per video. And thirdly, what is going to be in the series is I'm not going to do any coding. I'm just going to use Playmaker. A friend of mine recommended it, and I have been using it to create this color cell switch, and it worked actually pretty good for me. So yeah, in the next video we will start the development. Thanks for watching, and see you in a few minutes. Cheers guys.